In this video, we will learn about macros and how to work with macros. Now, macro is used to record the steps of routine task. Later on, we can perform the same task by just pressing one click. It makes our routine work easy and saves a lot of time. In other words, macro is a way to automate the routine task. Technically, macro is a piece of programming code that runs in Excel and helps automate routine tasks. To create the macro, first we have to enable it because as it is a developer feature, so by default it is disabled. These are the steps to enable it, and we have to enable the macro security level. Now we are going to Excel to enable macro and how to create macro. For this, I am going to the menu. This is the office menu. Then go to the Excel option. In the popular this tab, click over here, show developer tab. Now click OK. Now see, there is a developer tab in the menu. Now I am going to enable security. Go to this Excel option, go to the trust center. This is the trust center setting. This is the button. Here choose the macro setting tab, and right now it is enabled, but mostly it is disabled, so enable it, then click OK. Now we can create the macro. Go to this developer tab. Here is the record macro. When we are going to record macro, first make sure this use relative reference must be on, because whenever we will turn it on, it means it will record the position of the cursor also. I am clicking it on, click it over there, it turn on record macro. Now type macro name. Here I am going to create the macro for the employee. This is the employee heading. I am giving the name employee heading, and this is the shortcut. I am giving H. OK. Now start recording. Now I am going to create the salary slip of employee. This is the salary slip of. I will type the name in another later on. This is the basic salary. I am going to create the salary slip of employee. I need basic salary. Based upon basic salary, HRA and DA, these are the benefits given to the employee by the employer. This is the net salary. These all are the headings. Now change its text to red color, and text of salary slip is also red color, and fill with yellow color, this one. Then stop recording. For this, now I am creating a button. Go to the insert, select this button. Now drag it. Here is a button one. This is the name given. Then nope, it's opening the programming. No, you can click on OK. Here change the button name. I am giving it employee heading, employee salary heading. Now click outside, right click over here. This is the assign macro. Give the macro name. This is the employee heading, then OK. Now see, I am just placing a cursor and click over here. It will print the salary slip headings. This is. Now to record the macro, first I have to record it, then I have to perform the task, then stop macro, then run macro by using the run option, or I can create the button. The rest of the part we will cover in next part.